Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is doing today what it's supposed to be doing, made a new local low today on the micro level of this wave 2 low, which was made around 1630. And by the way, let me just bring that back in. Around 1630 price did move up in so far only 3 waves, possibly 5. Yeah, I can count this as a wave 1 complete if I want to. It's not reliable at this stage. I would prefer that this is currently just a wave 4 and we're doing here an expanded flat structure. It could also be a triangle, but it looks to me either as a, more like a flat pattern where we had an A wave down, a B wave up, and we could now be coming down in a C wave, not too impulsive. So need to keep options open here. But as long as it's holding the 1818 level, one more high would be anticipated, maybe into the low $2,000 area. And then afterwards, as soon as we have a top in place, we are looking for a wave 2 pullback. Target-wise, we're looking at 1694 to 1782. Now, two things to say about that. First of all, it is only temporary. This is a moving target because it is defined based on the latest high of the latest wave. So if the wave 1 pushes a bit higher here, I would have to adjust this support area. Then again, I shouldn't really call it a target because it's not really a target. It's more a boundary, especially 1694 is a support. It is the area, the pivot, where it flips from a more bullish scenario into a, let's say, short-term bearish scenario where we could come down lower in a C wave. Yeah, and that wave count would be as follows. A wave down, B wave up in 3 waves, and a C wave down. But we will really only know it below 1694. Now again, it's a moving boundary. It will move together with the wave 1. Yeah, so it will extend. Let me just show that to you. If price, for example, pushes higher, we would have to adjust these fibs. Okay, but it's not really a target. I mean, it's between 1782 and 1694. That is the standard support area for wave 2. It can always be more shallow. It can always be less deep, especially if we really are in a larger degree third wave to the upside. Okay, so a similar situation as in Bitcoin. It's just that Ethereum at the moment is a bit weaker than Bitcoin, and I'm treating it as follows. So as long as we're holding 1818, I assume we can get still another high above yesterday's high. So it would need to get above 1936. But below 1818, I treat this as a wave 2 currently in the making with support at 1694. And they're both bullish options. And if this really plays out, it can move quite quickly to the upside. And especially if this is a third wave rally, it might really go fast. It can be faster than many people think. Now at the moment, Ethereum is being outperformed by Bitcoin. So I don't think we need to be too excited here. But at some point, the trend on the ETH BTC chart will change back into an uptrend. It's currently in a local downtrend. We talk about that in the ETH BTC charts anyway. Now resistances are at 1926, 1964 and 2020. These are the next main resistances, and if price can really break above $2,130 plus minus a few dollars, we are probably in the heart of a third wave rally. So yeah, it's looking pretty bullish at the moment. Of course, the condition is that bullish support levels are holding. Only then, if they don't hold, we can turn bearish about this chart. But yeah, for now, no change. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.